So here in Norway there's loads of birch. It's everywhere you look, to be quite frank. And natural tinder, great. Anybody can get a fire starting with this stuff. But if you don't have birch and everything is wet and you're struggling, I'm going to show you guys another alternative to making a fire. So inside my first aid kit I've got some alcohol swipes, and that's what I'm going to be using. They're extremely flammable. They have, at least these ones have 70% ethanol, and they'll go up like a house on fire. One thing to be aware of is don't hold them when you ignite it. Either put it in your tinder bundle, get a spark or a flame to it. This time I'm going to use a lighter just to show you how goddamn fast it goes up in flames. But like I said, try to be careful when you ignite it, because it will go up really quick. All right, just to give you an idea. There we go. Whoop. And there you go. So that should give you definitely a helping hand if you're struggling to make a fire and you can't find tinder out anywhere. You might have it on your first aid kit or in your pockets. There we go.